How to use data to improve Discord. How to turn on this option on Discord. Today I will show you guys how to do this. Just watch the video until the end. And make sure that you subscribe and you like the video. So let's start. The first step guys is going and open Discord as usually. Then when Discord is opening, you will just go down here on your profile and open it. Then you will go to privacy and safety and open it again, and then you will go down to use data to improve Discord. So how to turn on this option? You will just go here and click. You will click and now it will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope these videos have found useful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you next